Walters here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Today we've got the 2020 Grady-White 330 Express. This is their home away from home boat. It's got the full cabin in it. Start here at the bow. The Grady-White's known for their ride with their CV2 hull, sharp entry. The boat continues to flare back, gives you soft landing where your helm seat's at. You can fish at Grady more than one day at a time just simply because they're that comfortable. Beautiful ocean mist blue. It's a new color that Grady's got come out with. Let's go to the back of the boat and show you what this thing's powered with. So hey, back here at the back, powering this beast is two 425 Yamaha 5.6 liter rocket ships. This thing will fly. It gets you to where you want to go, gets you there fast, gets you there in style. Custom paint job. It matches the ocean mist blue with the Grady-White white. This is a fun boat to run on. Come on board, let's see what's up top. So here we're on the cockpit of this nice boat, and as you see, we've got plenty of fishability. We have a deep live well, full plenum. The entire water column circulates. We have another here on the rear of the boat. Prep station here with a sink. You come back here to the Grady-Whites, known for their fish boxes. Huge fish box. They all drain overboard. There's no pumps to contend with, less maintenance. Easy to clean, easy to keep fresh. No smell gets down into your bill. Grady-White's known for their comfort. Ease seats. So now we're in the recreation mode. You can take this boat to the island. Come up to the throne room, because this is exactly what you feel like sitting in this throne seat. You kick back here, watch your grandkids haul in the fish, your buddies. Plenty of room for the ladies up here. Plenty of cooler space. And if you get a little tired and want to take a nap, you got a cabin inside. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Come see me. We'll take this thing out for a ride and show you why Grady-White's the boat to buy.